Hello, this is Dmytro Kucheruk, S4GA. S4GA is the globally recognized manufacturer of solar airfield lighting systems and mobile airfield lighting solutions for both civilian and military customers. In this video, I will introduce you our mobile airfield lighting stored and transported in a truck-type storage with Iveco, but we can integrate our solution with any truck that can handle this kind of weight. Now I'm going to give you a quick overview of this trailer, its compartments, and well, how is it designed. Key function is to store, charge, and transport mobile lights that you see right here. So this trailer has 62 lights of that kind that are stored on this specially designed shelf system, which is very reliable, redundant. We have a shutter doors to close this compartment. This place right here is used to store control system for the trailer and for airfield lighting. Let me present it to you. So here we have all different type of controls for the trailer, main controller for the lights, and militarized rugged pad to control and individually monitor every light. Key component of every mobile airfield lighting is a mobile light. SP401P, as portable, is stored inside of this trailer in amount of 62 pieces. So we have 50 white lights and 12 red-green lights. How do they stored? How do they transported? Well, we have extendable shelf. In order to unlock the lights, you open two locks and you take light out. You want to put it in? You lock it and it's secured for transportation. Let's have a closer look into control and monitoring system for this truck. We designed this dedicated compartment for all the control systems for the truck, including control of the charging, control of all the lights, and on this screen we project essential informations from the meteor station. Those two elements are responsible for control and individual light monitoring of the mobile airfield lighting system. On top of that, you have an ICAM radio that you can use to communicate with a pilot. So essentially what we have here is a mobile air traffic center. Essential part of the control system is this built-in monitor. It provides truck operator ability to control and monitor essential functions of the truck. How charging system for the lights operate? Well, each light is installed in a special drop-in charging platform, and entire charging system can be powered by two means. One, grid, so mains, 230 volts AC, or we do have 3 mobile generators that are stored at the back of this trailer. So let me start from the first mean. We have 2 compartments here that are both responsible for grid connection. We store power cable here, and here we have input plug. So in order to connect trailer to the charging system, to the mains, we need to connect cable one end here, and another one will be connected to the mains. So how do we do it? Here we have 3-pin connection, 3-pin right here. That's it. So second way to power charging system for the lights is using mobile built-in generators. We actually have 3 of those stored inside of the truck. This generator here is redundant have a long lifespan and is powered by fuel. They are very well and safely secured inside of the trailer, so there is no risk of them falling out and being damaged. What is so special about S4GA charging system? It's easy and fast and it's reliable. Each light is located in the special platform. It's a charging platform that is equipped with 2 connectors. The other 2 are located on the light itself. So how do we connect the light? Easy. Place it on the platform, we lock it, and at the moment, light is being charged.
What are key features of a military airfield lighting trailer? Well, one of them is powerful floodlight that is located on extendable mast. This way we can illuminate area around the trailer that allows troops to deploy lights and collect them during night time.
Which meteor data is projected on the screen? Well, it's the most important one for the pilot. Wind direction, wind speed, and pressure. So how do we source all this essential meteor information? Well, we do have a built-in meteor mast that is extendable manually. We integrated in this truck device that essentially provides truck operator with the distance that this vehicle has traveled. Why is it important? Because one has to install runway edge lights every 60 meters. So looking at this device, you know exactly where to stop and locate your next light.